A review of the tutorial for how to save and load your Keras deep learning model using JSON library. Next section is tutorial overview. Keras separates the concerns of saving your model architecture and saving your model weights. The model structure can be described and saved using two different formats, JSON and YAML. In this post, you will look at 3 examples of saving and loading your model to a file. Save model to JSON. Save model to YAML. Save model to HDF5. The first 2 examples save the model architecture and weights separately. The model weights are saved into an HDF5 format file in all cases. Confirm that you have TensorFlow v2.x installed, example v2.9 as of June 2022. Here is the next section. Save your neural network model to JSON. JSON is a simple file format for describing data hierarchically. The model and weight data is loaded from the saved files, and a new model is created. It is important to compile the loaded model before it is used. This is so that predictions made using the model can use the appropriate efficient computation from the Keras backend. The model is evaluated in the same way, printing the same evaluation score. Okay, now, we will run the code.
Running this example provides the output below.